Let's install Python on Windows 11. First, let's open the web browser. And here I'll head over to python.org. And if we hover over Downloads, we get a direct link to the latest Python version that is available. So let's click on it, and the file is being downloaded. So let's minimize the web browser and open the Downloads folder. And here we can see the Python installer. So let's go ahead and run it. Now make sure that before installing you check this box, Add Python to Path. It will make life much easier later on. So once we check this box, let's install now. We need to confirm to the installer to make changes. And Python is being installed. And as we can see, setup was successful, so let's close the installer. Let's now open the Windows terminal. And now we can check which version of Python we have installed by using the command python-version. And here we can see which Python version we're currently running. We can now run Python. And we can now interact directly with a Python interactive shell. So let's, as an example, define a list. And now we can access any of the elements in this list. So it works, but usually we'll want to write our programs in some code editor. So let's close the Python interactive shell. And for simplicity, I'll be using Notepad++. So let's save this new text file as a Python file. And let's write a very simple Python program. And what I want to do now is open the Windows terminal in the same folder as my Python file. So first let's open the folder containing the Python file. And in this folder I'll right-click and choose Open in Terminal. And in this folder we want to run Python. And specifically, we want to run this specific Python file. So I write the first few letters and then hit Tab for auto-completion. And when I run this command, the program runs and you can see its output.